Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to convert image to PDF. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to convert image to PDF. So let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to show you the image. So this is the image. So guys, this is the first image and this is the second image. So simply close this. So guys, to convert this image to PDF, simply right click any image. Now click on print. And here you can see the option of printer. So simply select here Microsoft Print to PDF. Now after that simply click on print. Now type the name and simply click on save. Now simply open File Explorer, click on Documents, scroll down, and here you can see this is the file. Simply double click on it, and here you can see. Now convert the second image also. So again right click on it, click on print. Now make sure selected here Microsoft Print to PDF, and after that simply click on print. Type the name and simply press enter. Now again open File Explorer, click on Documents. So guys, here it is the second image. So simply open the image. So here you can see. So guys, here you can see we have convert image to PDF. So you can also convert image to PDF by following this process that I've shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.